What is the highest sale I've ever closed? Reggie, my business and life partner. Okay, you understand that I didn't buy him though, right? And how did I make the sale? By using my dancing skills as my highly attractive, compelling offer. What I'm about to show you is how to make your first sale as an online coach using dating as a metaphor. Yeah, this will be so much fun. I dare to compare it with dating because there are many similarities. The first and foremost is to have a compelling and attractive offer. With your coaching business, it's definitely not your dance skills, but you must make sure that your offer is solving a problem. Not any type of problem though, a problem that people are already looking to solve and are ready to pay for. Make it so that it's impossible for them to say no because of the transformation that it provides and also because of the results that it will lead them to. And the more the results lead to transformation, the higher you can price your offer. Like relationships, the longest and most loyal coach-coachee relationships are the ones not only based on mutual respect, values, and trust, but also based on the coach having the capacity to constantly help their clients solve a specific problem. And over time, never forget that the problems might evolve and you can still support your clients in a different level of their journey. Talk about what you do in a way that you are a problem solver. Let's go back to dating. I remember that the first guy I was really sincerely attracted to fell in love with me and went out with me only in my head. I never found the courage. I never found the inner strength to go forward to him and let him know about my feelings and being vulnerable enough to say it. So we ended up going on with another girl. He had another girlfriend. The similarity here with your online coaching business and your compelling offer is that you might treat it as the best kept secret. As if you're on a private mission for no one to know about anything that you're doing. And you know what? If you do that, that will lead you straight to nowhere. I know that this might sound obvious to talk about your business, but many hesitate in sharing what they are great at and how they can help people. When I first started my online business, I was so shy to talk about it. I was so deep into imposter syndrome that I thought that people will eventually find out that I'm a fraud and that no one would ever want to pay me for my services. That was pretty bad. Yeah, I was not in a great place at all. So the least you can do to get closer to your first sale is to talk about what you do. Your family, your friends, your colleagues, your acquaintances. Seek out specifically for the people who fit the description of your perfect clients and have conversations. But most of all, listen. Listen to their struggles, to their pains, to their concerns, why they can't sleep at night, to their deepest desire. Understand them well. Ask a lot of questions. Show sincere interest in them. After that night, when we danced more than once together, Reggie and I decided to have more conversations on the phone and to go on future dates. At the time, we did not know where that would lead, but what's for sure is that it would not have led anywhere if we didn't give it a chance. The thing about having conversations is that it gives you the opportunity to understand the person better and also to deepen the bond that can exist between the two of you. Knowing, liking, and trusting is the foundation of any type of relationships, and especially the relationship you want to develop with your clients. Now, make an offer. Yes, conversations are key to getting to know your clients better, and also understanding how your dream offer will solve that problem that might haunt their lives. Many online business coaches never get their first sale, not only because they're not skilled enough or because they didn't bond enough with their prospects, but because they never made an offer. They live in kind of like hopeland, and they believe that, yeah, when the prospect will be ready, they'll come to me and ask for my services. Okay, keep dreaming. Selling is a big part of owning a business. And if you can't sell, you'll never earn money for your services, and no money, no business. Jay Abraham talks about a concept called the strategy of preeminence. According to that concept, it's your responsibility to let people know how you can help them. And in fact, it's also your responsibility to make them understand that you totally get them and that you are the right person to help them and to lead them to that life transformation. If you don't do that, from my point of view, it's totally selfish because you are preventing people from your brilliance. Now back to Reggie and myself. At a certain point, our feelings evolved and what started as friendship became love and life partnership. I made an offer to bring that relationship to the next level. And guess what? That offer was accepted. Oh, and what you really can't escape from is to be authentic. I really feel that my relationship with Reggie lasted so long and is still going on and moving on stronger because we were always true to each other and we never played a role in our relationship. In moments of hardships or at times when we disagreed with each other, we tackled the hard conversations and came through even stronger. Yeah, in the online coaching world, unfortunately, many play a game. They bring on their acting skills because they want to get your money, but remember, there's this expression in French that says, chasser le naturel et il revient au galop. It means that when you're trying to escape from what feels natural for you, at a certain point, your true nature will come back to the surface. Please, don't be the coach who says stuff just to get the sale or to get the money, and then when the client comes in, you don't live up to the expectations or promises, or you get it totally wrong, because that will never serve you as a person or as a coach, and it will just ruin your brand. Always stay true to yourself and always show up as yourself. That first sale as an online coach could lead you to earn your first $1,000 online and beyond. Click here to know more about how to make this happen.